study. The heights that get been reached and kept were not attained by sudden strides, but they, while their companions slept, were toiling upward in the night. The lives of great men remind us that we can make this life an inspiring one through hard work and dedication. So, here are some valuable thoughts from some of the famous personalities on hard work or smart work. My friends will quote this thought and you have to judge the personality. So, are you all ready?
Yes!
It is not about working harder. It is about working the right way. Can you guess the personality?
Vivekanand?
No, this is not right.
Tim Ferriss?
No, this is not right.
It's Steve Jobs?
Yes, this is correct. Through this, Steve Jobs emphasized innovation and efficiency, promoting smart work through creativity and strategic thinking. I choose a lazy person to do a hard job because a lazy person will find an easy way to do it. Guess the personality.
Colin Powell?
No, this is not correct.
Bill Gates?
Yes, this is Bill Gates. So, Bill Gates were advocates for smart work by finding efficient solutions to problems. Genius is 1% inspiration and 99% perspiration. Can you guess the personality?
Plato?
No, it is not correct.
Johnson Answer?
No, it is not correct.
Yes, yes. I know it is Thomas Edison.
Yes, it is correct. So, Thomas Edison believed in the power of hard work but also recognized the importance of innovative thinking. Efficiency is doing things right. Effectiveness is doing the right thing. Can you guess the personality?
Albert Einstein?
No, you are wrong.
Mark Zuckerberg?
No, you are also wrong.
It is Peter Drucker?
Yes, you are correct. So, Peter Drucker's perspective highlights need for smart work to ensure the effort that leads to meaningful results. Focus on being productive instead of busy. Who said these words?
A.P. Abdul
No, this is not correct.
Leonardo Vinci?
No, this is not correct.
David Bailey?
No, this is not correct. Anyone else? No one? Answer of this is Tim Ferriss. Tim Ferriss promotes smart work by prioritizing tasks that have the most significant impact. Thinking is the hardest work there is, which is probably the reason so few engage in it. Can you guess the personality?
Rabindranath Tagore?
No, this is not correct. No, this is not correct.
Henry Ford?
Yes, this is Henry Ford. Henry Ford underscores the value of smart work through critical thinking and problem solving. Thank you, my dear friends. As you can also see that these perspectives illustrate a balance between hard work and smart work, emphasizing the importance of both dedication and strategic planning to achieve success. Dear audience, we hope that we are able to convey the message that both hard work and smart work are crucial to achieving success, but they play distinct roles. Thank you for your attention and engagement today. So, to sum up, we are here with a lively presentation that is sung by our dear Rahul sir and choreographed by Rary sir. So here we are.
This is a song which is going to prove to us and show us that hard work and smart work goes together. It is a culmination of both hard work and smart work.
कभी पार नहीं होती, लहरों से डर कर ये नौका कभी पार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार लहरों से डर कर ये नौका कभी पार नहीं होती, लहरों से डर कर ये नौका कभी पार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती। जब गाना लेकर चलती है, चलती दीवारों पर 100 बार फिसलती है, जीती जब गाना लेकर चलती है, चलती दीवारों पर 100 बार फिसलती है, हल्का विश्वास रगों में साहस भरता है, चलना चल के गिरना उसे ना अकड़ता है, मेहनत उसकी आंखें बेकार नहीं होती, वो मेहनत उसकी आंखें बेकार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों कभी हार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती। लगाता है राजा के खाली हाथ जब वो लौट के आता है, किसे तुम्हें गोताखोर लगाता है, राजा के खाली हाथ जब वो लौट के आता है, नहीं मोतियों की गहरे पानी में बढ़ता संसार सी हराई उसकी खाली हर बार नहीं होती हर बार नहीं होती कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती लहरों से अगर की नौका कभी पार नहीं होती कभी पार नहीं होती कोशिश करने वालों की कभी